Where are we with democracy? Let me answer you very succinctly. Number one, surveillance capitalism is on a collision course with democracy, eroding from below and completely restructuring democracy from above. From below, it takes aim at human agency, at human autonomy, at what we consider to be individual sovereignty, the things that allow us to have decision rights, to be self-determinant. This now global means of behavioral modification takes aim at human autonomy, without which a democratic society is impossible to imagine. From above, we are now entering the third decade of the digital century, Adam. This was supposed to be the apotheosis of democratization, this digital century. Instead, what we see is a new kind of society marked by extreme forms of social inequality, a new social inequality. What is this social inequality? Concentrations of knowledge in these companies, best expressed in the growing abyss between what we know and what can be known about us. This is intolerable for a democratic society, but that's not all. These extreme concentrations of knowledge produce extreme concentrations of power. That what we can do is now no match for what can be done to us using these extreme concentrations of knowledge through the medium of the digital.
So